Tired of manually entering every contact into your Android phone? Let's supercharge your phone book by importing your entire Excel contact list in just a few minutes. First, let's get your Excel file ready. Open your spreadsheet. Make sure each column has a clear header. Name, phone, email, and address are essential. You can add more, but these are the most important for a seamless import. Now, save your Excel file in a format that your phone can understand. The best format for this is CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. To do this, go to File, then Save As, and choose CSV, delimited from the drop-down menu. Once saved, you'll need to get this CSV file onto your Android phone. The easiest way is to email it to yourself. Open your email app on your computer, compose a new email, attach the CSV file, and send it to your Gmail address that's used on your Android phone. On your Android phone, open the Gmail app. You should see the email you just sent. Open the email and tap on the attached CSV file. Your phone will likely ask how you want to open this file. Choose the option to import contacts if prompted. Select your Google account to save the contacts to. And just like that, all your contacts from the Excel spreadsheet are now on your Android phone. You can open your contacts app to see them all listed, synchronized with your Google account. It's that simple to keep your contact list organized and accessible no matter where you are. For more Android tips, make sure to subscribe.